Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Hyundai Tucson City. Stock reference number 4732. This shape runs from the 8th month 2004 through to the 1st month 2010. There's a G4 GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G4 GC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the front end. We have the right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has multiple dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a flat tyre, with the left-hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module with neck. Tailgate appears to have no damage, just has some paint fade on top edge. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 2 small dents, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black cloth centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, lamp end extension type, right hand sun visor, also lamp end extension type, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.